Hi guys, it's Roo here from Prepared Camping, and recently I won a giveaway competition on Harshman Hills' channel, so thank you very much James. I've been spending your Amazon gift card voucher and got myself this. Now, the name of this cook pot actually doesn't match up on the box with the company that I ordered from, but the item's still the same. See here, it has a nice deep lid, so you can put coals on top of that no problem. A cloth carry bag of some sort, and here's the main cook pot itself. So we see here that it's got a top bail, a spout for pouring, some measurements on the inside for measuring liquid. Top bail does quite well, locks, and some side handles. So as you can see, the pot's about 12 centimetres in diameter and 12 centimetres tall, which is 4.7 inches for our American friends. So I'm just taking it into the garden where I'm going to use it to boil some water to make some noodles. And as you can see here, my Lixada wood gas stove lasts inside it quite well. So I'll just set this up and get cracking. Quite a handy feature there is because the D-ring isn't flat, you'll always be able to get a stick or a knife under it to lift the lid off, which I quite like. And here's today's lunch. Cooking some noodles. What do you reckon?
I got the fire in my hands.
Fire's not in your hands.
Yeah, I'm pretending. It's good when it's good when it's just there.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's all done now, look.
I'm cold.
You're cold?
Yes. I want to hang. Whoa! Lot of pasta. I don't want the carrots.
No, you don't have to have the carrots, no.
Or chicken.
No. Now, that's going to be very, very hot, okay? So we'll let it cool down for a minute.
I want a table.
I'll get you a table, yeah, that's no problem.
Mini